we on? Are we on? Are we on? Yeah, let's go live here. Going live, going live, going live. Here we are. We're live. You guys can see me. Oh, you guys can see me. Oh my God, you guys can see me. This is awesome, the fact that you guys see me. Of course, we come back after Hari Raya, where I think the real work really starts now. One more year to go until the Bitcoin halving, where you know that the next Bitcoin halving is the millionaire cycle. It is the last of the millionaire cycles, actually, based on the long-term projections that I have. And you also have to know that at the end of the day, everything eventually will go back to the median or the mean. We'll revert back to the mean, and this means that we will go back, and I think even crypto is going to become like the normal markets, which is kind of not good, okay? So this is what we are up against now. This is what we're up against, so we naturally have to prepare for that. And let me put in here. I'll drop it more in the group, okay? So actually on Saturday, which is the 6th of May. Oh, no, the 6th of May. Yeah. The 6th of May. Tomorrow is the 1st of May. I'm actually going to have a session where I am going to go on my plan to make money during that time. And if you are an ex-student, just contact me on Telegram and you will get the link. So that is because, you know, I like people who kind of understand what's going on rather than ask questions left, right, and center, because it is the plan for me to make 10 million ringgit, 2.25 million US, whatever. It can be anywhere between 2 to 2.5 million US. Whatever it is, the target is really 10 million ringgit. So naturally, being the third cycle and having the benefit of being here before, it is very important that I can tell you that we really have to be prepared, because I think this is going to be a very different cycle than the rest of the other cycles. I think this, and yeah, come on Saturday to see it. Let me find the thing here. It'll be on Saturday, start at 9:30. So if you are a student, if you're already in the student group, then that's fine. You will get a link. This is something related to crypto, but I will also touch on other things that we have been talking about, because what gets me excited about this phase, it is not an easy phase at all, is the ability to integrate different things. Okay, so again, let me show you here. Hey, what is this? Okay, I can't show this, right? I can't show this here. Let me show you here. And then we'll go to what's happening in the market. What I see, just reminder of what we want to do, right? You probably have forgotten, but I have not forgotten, okay? What do we do next? And let me change the screen here. You are going to see my screen. 313, and there it is. Okay, so again, that is my roadmap to 10 million. Okay, and we're going to see some charts here. Saturday, so if you are a former student, just drop me a line on Telegram, drop me a DM on Telegram, and I shall give you the invite link over there. Now, the next thing is, as usual, there's something that I saw today, which is very interesting, and let's see what Bitcoin is going to. Cointelegraph.com. But what do we see, guys? We really see this, right? I think the S&P, whoa, the TradFi market is just going up. S&P 500, despite the meltdown of First Republic Bank, which, if I'm not mistaken, JP Morgan has committed to save. So this is quite interesting, because the United States government is saying, hey, we're not going to save this. You guys, the private sector, have to save it. Okay, so look at the S&P there. Let's go and take a closer look at this S&P. Look at that. Just look at that. It is at this line where there is major resistance. So as we said before, right, we said it here, it failed. We said it here, it failed, and now it is threatening this, and there it is, 4.3. We said that before, right? Look at the Nikkei now. The Nikkei has broken high above before. Let's see here. Wheat. Oh, we love wheat, which is at a 2-year low. Hey, nice wheat, guys. I know wheat. Didn't we mention wheat on this last week? Right. This is nice. This I like. This I really, really like. I'm just giving you a hint here. Okay, look at that. Look at that Nikkei there. I'm just gonna go draw a weekly here or even the daily. Let's just go there. Look at that. Oh, it's going here, right? Yeah, 29,246. Almost there. Look at that. Okay, look at that. Amazing. Just amazing. Okay. Beat this several times. And look, it was dancing around this time, this order block, right? So what you want to do is, if you are in MetaMoon, you can go to the group now, because there is a monthly report on crypto, on what's going up next, and we'll talk about that too. So this is important. So let's go now, as usual, to our this, right? Fear and greed index. You just have to love fear and greed. I really want to know now, sell in May and go away. When is it coming? It wasn't coming last week. Are we near the point where is it coming? And I'm going to show you another TradFi trade that I'm waiting to happen. We got to be patient on some of these. It's something that we waited for quite some time, but I think it's going to happen very soon. And the opportunity is there, at least 2 trades here. Let's go fear and greed index here on the sentiment, CNN sentiment. This is fine. Let's go take a look at this. Where are we now? Oh, greed. Hey, it's not even here yet. So again, naturally, the S&P has a further chance to go up to 4.3, right? Okay, where is the Bitcoin fear and greed index? Are we at 80? Are we at 70? Are we at 80? Because there's something going on here. Bitcoin is going up, and you guys in MetaMoon can see this in the latest report here. It's quite bullish. Please go see the latest report afterwards when you have the time. The report is about 18-20 minutes. Go and really look at it, because the funding rate is down. The funding rate is down, you know, so it's like when people are buying now, they're really not the speculators. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. Okay, so the people that are buying now are really not the speculators. The people that are buying now are the long term. Doesn't mean this is guaranteed to happen, but what that happen is that the longer term people are pushing the price of Bitcoin up. But we got to see the crypto fear and greed index first. Whoa, we are back again, almost 70. Will it be repelled at 70? This should be in everyone's mind again, right? So we are at 60 now. Yo, we're here. We're going to peak here, okay? So again, if you look at S&P here, now if you look at Bitcoin here, what I want to see here is the price of Bitcoin. It is going up despite the funding rate. It's quite amazing. Okay, it's kind of a nice Ethereum. Okay, almost 1.9 again. This is now going up again. It looks that it may re-challenge 31 here again. Very decent chance of it re-challenging 31 again. So look at these levels very carefully, because this is going up and the funding rate is going down, which is kind of weird, because when it goes up, if the speculators are in the market, the funding rate should go up, and then the market naturally goes down. This up move, surprisingly, go and look at your report afterwards, okay, when you have the time. I just uploaded it in. It was a long upload, so take some time. Now look at this. This is going up while the funding rate is going down. Okay, right? So what does that tell you? That the long-term guys are here, that this may be challenged very, very soon, okay? Then I'd be really, really careful. So we see everyone going to a peak. But what is the most exciting thing is what we've been talking about. Where's gold? We all know, right? We all saw last week, right? I think that mid-May is something like a turnaround for gold. So, hey, I love it. You know, it doesn't mean I'm going to do anything. But I'm just going to patiently wait for all of these to play out rather than just getting in, right? I'm just telling you what I am looking at in Bitcoin in terms of Ethereum and all that. I don't like the 4-hour thing. I just like to have this very near the high. And yeah, very near the high again, re-challenge the high again. And I don't mind even shorting as long as this is around mid-May. Again, you look at our cycle now, it points to a mid-May correction. So I don't mind waiting till mid-May. I think the name of the game here is patience. I know we don't have patience, but guys, we need to have patience nowadays, okay? So the thing that is the favorite one, and I think we've been talking for this for quite some time. We've been talking for this for a very long time. Good evening, Ming Fat. The thing is DAX, and we've been waiting for this thing. I advise you to now follow the lady, guys. Follow the lady on Tuesday and Thursday, because I think it is time for something big to happen Tuesday and Thursday. And my opinion is this will happen. You can, you know, it's like going in and short. You know the layering thing. I don't recommend that, you know, but I can't blame you if you want to do that. But I think I would like you to follow our little lady. I would like you to follow our little lady every Tuesday and Thursday. So here it is. We have a situation where Bitcoin is looking at 31 due to the funding rate. We have a situation where S&P is not yet at extreme grade, still have some room, wiggle room, 4,300. But the most important thing is what we have waiting for, I think, is about to happen. Bam, 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 bam. I said, I'm going to wait for you at 16.3. Let's see. It doesn't matter if it goes up higher because we just have that wick, right? I mean, having a wick is fine. We love wicks. We gotta love wicks. Okay, so yeah, Ming Fat, go and see the report. Ming Fat, can you see the report? Can you see the report in the group on the latest crypto report? Go and see the latest. Can you see that? The Alpha group, latest report in the group. Can you see the latest report in the group on Bitcoin? Go and see that. Very interesting way of looking at things, okay? Very, very interesting way. Very, very interesting indicator there, okay? Which is on the funding rate, okay? So go and see that. So tell me whether you can see that. So here, look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at, I drew this here. And now I'm going to change to the weekly. And you guys said, I just see money. Clank, clank, clank. Got affiliate link. There's no more affiliate link. It's finished. It's finished. You got to go to the king of TradFi Easy. You got to go to the king of TradFi Easy. It's finished, guys. It's finished. The affiliate link to the lady is finished, and we hit like 200 points that day, right? The last one was $200, man. Guys, if you didn't get on the ladies one, you have really lost a big opportunity. Because if you talk, what about the gains that she's been giving us? It's like, it's free. You guys got it for free. Thanks, Sensei, later. You guys got it for free. You guys got to learn TradFi for free, okay? I'm such a great guy. And that will be part of our plan on Saturday. Don't miss Saturday. If you're a student, it's okay. You can miss Saturday because we have a replay. But if you're not a student, but you're an ex-student, do not miss Saturday. I don't have replays for you. Okay, so please go and see the manager, the king of TradFi Easy, okay? So he knows what to do there. He knows what to do there. Okay, so look at this. Okay, look at this. I mean, look at this. I mean, just look at that. Just look at that. It is coming here. This is what the lady said, right? I think it's going to happen. I really think it's going to. I'm just waiting here, guys. I'm just waiting here. I am just waiting here. And well, here's the thing, right? There are many ways to do it. Just look at that, guys. Guys, look at that. Hey, look at that. Okay, look at that. Guys, what happens when it's hitting here again? Tell me. What do you think will happen when it's hitting there again? Yeah, Winnie. I don't know. Winnie, man. I'm not sure, man. Winnie is saying, hey, boss, don't call me at 3 p.m. Right? Winnie said, don't call me at 3 p.m. to 3:30 or 4, okay? But at 2:45, I'm just not around, boss. I just got to wait here. We've been waiting for this for a long, long time. So here is what I would do, okay? So Winnie is another king of TradFi. She's the queen of TradFi. She got into the Miss J thing. Okay, look at this. Isn't this a double top? I don't think this thing is going to blast through. I think it's going to correct, right? That maybe it's going to go and distribute like that because I see a distribution and then go down. Okay. So I'm just going to start shorting here. I'm going to give options a play, a put option here. You know why? Because I got to wait patiently for this thing to happen. I'm so excited. I am so excited. Yeah, this is like the excitement. You know, Pointer Sisters, I cannot play the thing. I have to sing the pointer. I don't know how to sing pointer. I'm so excited. Yes, I just can't hide it. I mean, like, hey, this is convergence, okay? However, convergence, okay? Now, let me ask you. So we see the convergence of this. This is fine. S&P 4.3. This is like you know it's going to come down here, you know, and then it may go up again. And maybe when it comes down here, maybe I can even take a spot position. And if it does this again, I can take an options position, okay? Now, here's the thing that I just want you to say. So with this going down, this is the thing weird about Bitcoin, because I've been seeing this, okay? Do you think Bitcoin will follow the TradFi thing down? What do you think? I know the cycles here. I know we have the distribution of Bitcoin. Do you think we will follow the TradFi thing down? Because there's something weird going on in Bitcoin, okay? Let me tell you, okay? Not necessarily. Listen, not necessarily. You know why? Because we've seen when there is a problem with fiat, Bitcoin may not go down, it may go up. So this depends on this, okay? This depends on this. This depends on this monster here called, I mean, this is going to be perfect. I don't know if it's going to be perfect. If TradFi goes down because of tech, fine. I think Bitcoin can also go down. All and dandy. But if this goes down because of Deutsche Bank, oh my God, this is like Bitcoin can actually make a zip up, okay? Make a zip up. Let's see this. How do you spell Deutsche Bank? How do you spell Deutsche Bank, guys? Like, so again, so on Tuesday, guys, for the students, we're going to review our new new report. And on Saturday, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to lay down all the things, including my 3 computers. Including my 3 computers. I have 4 computers. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3. I have 4 computers because, you know, this is basically the plan going into next year. Okay. So let's see this. Okay. Dwight, what? How do you? Do I even know how to spell this? Do I even know how to spell German? Oh, okay. Dude. Wonderland. Sure. Okay, fine. Deutsche Bank. Okay, let's go this. Let's go find it. Is it DB? Should find that. I want to find DB here, okay? Because when I was in Phuket, that Deutsche Bank was in trouble. It was like 910, right? Let's see where it is now. I haven't seen it. Hello, DB. So remember, if the fall in the DAX, and I think this is going to come around mid-May, is caused by tech, you might see Bitcoin follow. If it's caused by banking, you might see a spike up by Bitcoin before it goes down, okay? I do not see here. I don't know why I do not see Deutsche Bank here. This is kind of sad, guys. This is kind of sad. How come I do not see here? I don't like this. I'm just going to see Deutsche Bank shares, okay? The Deutsche Bank shares. So this is just an example that we are going next year. Do you know, right? We can play multiple markets. This is very important. And come on Saturday because you can see next year, the opportunity I draw down the opportunity. It's not only going to be in crypto, okay? It's not going to anything. In fact, crypto, there is a cycle to crypto based on what happened before. I'm just going to go to share price here. So what I do not want you to do is just bore yourselves out waiting for crypto. No, we take advantage and we start making money at the right time. Okay, stock price. Deutsche Bank AG. Yeah, I told you it was like this, right? Like, come on. Come on, Yahoo. You didn't come out with my thing. Okay, let's go here. It was like $10 or just below 9. It just made a dip when I was in Phuket. I was 1082. So, okay. Kind of love this, you know. I just want to see this, okay? I just want to see this. I think this is the wild card now. Of course, First Republic. Look at what's happening tomorrow. This is the dip that I saw in Phuket, right? When was I there? Was that April 10? Yeah, this is the dip. It's kind of went down below 10. Okay. So again, it's back up to nearly 11. Okay. It's not been going anywhere. Can we see more on this? Yeah, let's see 6 months now. Because stupid Yahoo doesn't want to do it. This is April 23. Yeah, where was the dip, guys? Where was the dip? When in the world I was in Phuket? I can't even remember. Around here, right? Yeah, that was a dip. That was a dip. And Chef was like, no, it is going down. Oh, cool. Okay, so just remember this. Okay, so again, Palladium. We were late to Palladium. Darn, went down. But again, what you saw was our pinch punch was great, right? Pinch punch to the moon. Nikkei is good. This is good. Asia is good. And I have something to say about Asia on Saturday. I have to remind people what it was like. It's going to be a great crypto rally. It's nothing you've seen before, guys. I saw it before. You guys don't even have the experience before this. What else do we have here? Dollar index is fine here. Just be careful at that Deutsche Bank. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Let's see now what's in crypto. Okay, so I am waiting for the DAX. I'm just going to short like nobody's business. Probably two, as I said, two shorts. I think when it hits the all-time high, it will go down because, hey, every index does that, right? When it hits the all-time high, it must go down. Let's go and see that. Okay, let's go and see that. Let's go and see that. See, guys, so we play multiple market, guys. Those who are here, we do not necessarily be in crypto, okay? We will be in crypto and go with full force during the right time. Otherwise, we do not want to get into trouble. Look at this guy. Look at that. Look at this is what I mean. I'm going to just go here and I'm going to go day. Where's my daily thing? Okay. This is what I mean here. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that distribution, right? So if you short here and short here, you know it will happen one day. It come back up or it may dip like that. It may come back up or it may dip like that. This is because of UK's economic problems, right? So you see this, right? Go and see it again. Open it up again. Where did I get this chart from, guys? Where in the world did I get this chart from? Have you guys been paying attention? Or have you guys been skipping class? Where in the world did I get this chart from, guys? Where in the world did I get this chart from? Come on, come on. You should know. You should know where we got it from, right? We got it from the lady lah. We got it from the lady. And look here. I want you to look very carefully here, okay? Look here, right? All-time high. This was the all-time high. Do you agree? Look what happened the next time. It went to the all-time high here. Tuck! Down. Okay, I'm just going to go this. I think this is what's going to happen on the DAX, okay? Look here carefully once again. Look here. So what are you going to do on Tuesday, Widdy? You are going to ask for the positions on the FTSE too. That is why she is so excited on the FTSE. And now I'm like super duper excited on this FTSE because look at this. I know I got this trade in the bag. And when it goes again, this is going to seem right. Once it hits the all-time high, it kapoots. Kapoots down. Look. Look. This was the previous all-time high. Kaput. And then it can go back up again, right? So I got one trade here, and I probably got a bigger trade here. If this is Deutsche Bank, it's like sayonara, hello, 2,000 points, right? She said 2,000, right? Sayonara. Hello, 2K. Okay? If it's not, it's going to be like this. It's still going to be a substantial amount of money. Okay, everyone understand that, right? So you know the opportunities coming. You just love this, right? You got to love this period, right? You got to love this period. Now let's go to Cointelegraph. What is happening here? Signature Bank's failure on poor governance and illiquidity. I have no idea. What about First Republic? Crisis is not an isolated incident. So this is kind of weird because now the US is asking the banks, okay? The US is basically asking the banks to rescue the other banks. This is good, okay? This is good because there's no bailout, right? FDIC alleges Cross River engaged. Oh, here's another bank. Here's another bank. So I think the big banks are going to have to bail out a lot of small regional banks, and that could be a problem. That could be kind of a problem for the US, but I think we're still going back up in the autumn, July and October. So I think we are going to have challenges, and I intend to take full full advantage of the traders. Yeah, so you see that Bitcoin has really not been, because the funding is so cheap, right? The long-term buyers are buying. Go and see the report. This is so cool, right? So Crypto Story tells how his family moved into Bitcoin. No, I don't want to hear the story, Tim. Market structure, Twitter, monetization avenues for content creators. Yes, now if you're a good content creator, you can actually make money and people can subscribe to your stories, okay? We're going to discuss this later. Who are we going to subscribe to? Okay, hot stories now. Editor's choice. We're going to editor's choice. These are stable coin, nothing here. Okay, now nobody knows what to do, right? Bitcoin bears. What do you say? Bitcoin bears crossed April. Good luck, bears. Yeah, Bitcoin approaches the end of April have been barely moved, with BTC's price offering little short-term clues on the trajectory. So now we know why it has rarely moved, because the funding is so low, which is kind of weird. Okay, very narrow volatility. So again, traders sees BTC upside capped at 31.2. If you see our report, Coach, not Coach H. Coach H. We're gonna call him Coach H. Okay, we need names for this. Okay, guys, we need names. Coach. We have Miss J. We have Hunter. Okay, so Coach Hunter basically said 31, 32.5 around there. I kind of agree. Okay, because I think something is gonna happen in May. As such, no welcome. Greet the candle. Okay, stable coin, stable Sunday. Nothing has changed. Potential target of 32.5 in the event of breakout, while the loss of pre-trend line the spot price would be caused to be really bearish. Yeah, I would expect that. It would be really bearish if it were because of technology, okay? And now, apparently out. Let's see the NASDAQ. What's happening on the NASDAQ? You guys have been seeing Coach, right? I haven't been listening to Coach for quite some time. Is he doing well? Maybe I should give him a chance. Okay, I'm gonna listen to him tomorrow, okay? After a long time. I kind of like, Coach, I ain't gonna listen to you anymore. I should make up with Coach. I'm gonna make up with Coach, guys. I'm gonna make up with Coach. just like I committed to you guys, I'm gonna make up with someone else as long as I get an airdrop, right? So I'm gonna make up with Coach tomorrow. I'm gonna see what in the world is happening on the NASDAQ here. Where are we now? Let's see this. Oh, we're still quite some time away. Okay, we're not really there yet. We're not anywhere back okay. Yeah, around here. See that? Yeah, about there. 14 makes sense. 1, 2. Came here, return, came here, try to go. Yeah, around 14 here. 13 to okay, 800 points. Not really interested in longing now. You know, I'm just waiting for it to go up. Okay. Okay, guys. Do you have any questions? Remember, if you are an ex-student, just DM me. Go to the Telegram group up there, and I will give you the link on Saturday. It's like 9:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Very exciting day. It is going to be very different. And my thing to 10 million and how to use what we already have, which is good. And I'll show you how I use it. I'll show you the wallets. I'll show you what we're going to do during the next year or so. And in preparation, because what we want to do now, you guys got to remember that in 2024, once it comes, your window is very limited, guys. How long do you have to make money? How long do you have to make money? How long do you think you have to make money? Type it down. Type it down. Type it down, guys. How long do you think do you have to make money? How long do you think? Do you think you have to make money. You don't have a long time, you know. If you are not ready, you won't have the time. So it's very important that you guys are ready. Okay. So again, I was with a new student again, yeah, till 2025, but how long? It's not going to be long. You have to be really, really ready. In fact, during that time, once I press the bell, I don't know when it will start. Once I press the bell, Shariel, you have to be really good at saying, boss, I got to go to the toilet. Boss, I'm sick. Oh, or you can also say if you want to, boss, rather than just going and meet you, don't send me to all these trips, weekly trip. Why don't you send me for Timbuktu with good Wi-Fi for 10 months? If you can do that, Shariel, I promise you, you are going to be very rich, okay? You do not want a situation where the boss sends you to Terengganu in 1 week, the boss sends you to Kota Baru in 1 week, the boss sends you to Australia in 1 week. Yeah, you do not want that. I said, boss, no, boss, no. I am a good company man. Why don't you send me for exploration in Timbuktu for like 10 months? Yeah, urgent leave. And when he says, if you can't do that, I say, boss, look. I'm not in the mood to perform now. Can you put me in cold storage for 6 months? Put me in cold storage for 6 months. And you know what? You're going to thank me for it because you're going to be very, very rich. And we'll talk again on Saturday on this. Yeah, right. Yeah, you guys have to plan, just imagine if you are offshore and something happens. Oh my God. Oh my God. It will cost you something in your pocket. Okay, so again, I'm going to see you guys on Saturday. We have a briefing, short briefing on Tuesday on the integration. And on Saturday, you're going to see something marvelous on how I am going to do it. Okay, remember, my target is very simple. Ringgit 10 million, USD 2.25 million, or whatever it is. I don't care. I don't care. I am a man on a mission, guys. I am a man on a mission. So I hope for the students, I'm going to see you on Tuesday. But, yeah, and Tuesday is after Miss J, right? So we will monitor the decks like mad. And for the rest, guys, I'm going to see you guys on Saturday. Again, if you are a student, just drop me a line. Drop me a line here at Telegram. And yeah, and you'll get the link. And you guys will get the link later, okay? The dots, okay? I'm going to see you guys soon. Hey, happy trading. We are back. It's time to prepare, guys. It's time to go in the markets now. Bye-bye. And